The truck looks pretty good. We're going over there to that rooftop unit because it has a bad fan motor and the blades are all dorked up and rusted on there. So we got some parts here to get over there. So it looks like a commercial building, and it is, but a church actually bought it. So their funds are a little limited. And they know they've got, I mean, every one of these is from like early 2000s. So all of those three over there, these two, they got 5 total. That's a lot of money to put in rooftop air conditioners. So in the meantime, while they're saving their pennies, we're gonna get it up and running for them. So we're gonna swap out that motor and the fan blade. And the reason why I get the fan blade is because that thing's so rusted, I don't even want to deal with it. So we're just putting a whole new fan blade and motor on it. All right, got my Supco Trade Fox technician invented, technician proven umbrella out. Not because they're paying me. I don't have any sponsors. I ain't that big. But something our company picked up for all of us technicians. And I get it out anytime I can because, you know, little things like that make your job nicer. So if you don't have one, pick yourself one up. You can get them on Amazon, probably at your favorite supply house. Let's get this done. Decided to take a minute since I'm up here by myself and I'm going to be up here for a while. Took the old iPad up to the Bluetooth speaker so I can have a little bit of tunes. All right, this motor that failed, try not to mess up the roof here, as you can see, is a rescue motor. So this is all the rescue motor wiring. I'm not a big fan of putting rescue motors on things. I like to go back with OEM. Hence the OEM motor. And it has a spot for a plug. Well, I don't have that, but those are just spade terminals, so now I get to do some creative wiring. All right, well, the new motor's mounted. Wires are properly secured up into the cabinet over here. Here we are with the cabinet. I got to make all the connections, put a new capacitor on. What frustrates the fire out of me is all this. I'm like, whoever installed this 23 years ago, you couldn't have done a better job? Just make it easier on the service techs. All this crap's in the way. You know how it is. Stuff that's in the way shouldn't be in the way. Anywho, gonna get up in there, replace that cap, get it all wired up, and we're gonna fire it off. Do you ever find yourself questioning what you're doing? You're like, oh man, what did I just do? Well, I just now, in the moment it took me to walk over there and grab some stuff, questioned my hookup here. So I'm going to say this is L1. I'm going to tape up this connection just because it ain't pretty. And I worry about it. I will zip tie it all up, so I know it's not going to touch nothing, but I'd rather it be covered. All right. So there's L1 going directly to my motor, which would be the common side of the motor. And then here's my other side, and it's going to the cap. So I'm feeding the cap, plus I'm taking my high side or my L2 side and putting it to that same side of the cap. So that should all be correct. Let's put some zip ties on all this. Zip tie number 1. Tighten her up a little. I think we'll be good. Well, in theory, it's all hooked up. Bucket seat makes it a lot easier, FYI. All right, got it up and running. Had a little problem when I first tried turning it on. The fan was not moving at all. And I thought, what in the world? And so I pulled up the picture I took of the motor. I don't know if you can see it. I know I'm showing my iPad. Cap between term 1 and 2. I had cap between terminal 2 and 3. So once I rectified that, redid the wiring right there, moved the capacitor over to there, and now it's running just fine. So we'll let this thing cook off for a little bit, make sure it's operational. I'll get her all cleaned up. One thing about it, if you pack it all up, you gotta pack it all back down. Let's get her done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more content. It helps me out. I think all YouTubers say that, trying to beat the algorithm. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Later, Gator.